good morning students, and today we will complete our chapter 9, soil erosion and conservation, with the subtopic of soil conservation. So in the last two videos we have studied about the soil erosion, erosion by rainwater, erosion by wind, and the erosion by the human beings, and today we will discuss about the soil conservation. What is soil conservation? So to protect of soil against the soil erosion is called the soil conservation. There are many ways in which we can conserve the soil. So various practices for soil conservation. So first one is planting trees, means afforestation. Second is rotating crops. Third is growing cover crops. Fourth one is tilling. Fifth is making terrace on hill slopes. Sixth is making bunds and embankment on the river banks. And the last one is the maintaining the soil. The first is the afforestation. Afforestation or planting the trees. So planting trees or afforestation. Planting trees is one of the most common method of soil conservation. As the trees mature, they grow deep roots which stabilize soil and help prevent the soil erosion. So second one is rotating crops. Rotating crops. So rotating crops is also an effective means of soil conservation. Cultivating the same crop for several consecutive seasons can cause pathogens to rapidly build up in the soil. So next one is cover crop. Next one is cover crop. So what is cover crop? So between two major crops, after harvesting the first crop and before showing the next crop, the field lies fallow. At this time, wind and water may erode the topsoil. At that time, wind and water may erode the topsoil. Farmers often grow fodder or other useful crops at that time as cover crop. Cover crops cover the empty fields to prevent the soil erosion. Next one is tilling. What is tilling? A tilling involves plowing and preparing soil for farming. Over time, this repeated process can make soil too compact to support any organism, including earthworms, which help aerate and enhance soil. So next one is terrace on hill slopes. So terrace on hilly terrain help prevent soil from washing down hills when it rains. So this is called the terrace forming. Here the steps slow down the flow of water. Embankment. Bunds and the embankment. Next one is the bunks and the embankment. Floods cause great damage. So they eat away the soil along the banks. To prevent this kind of damage to the soil, strong bunds and embankments are built at that places where the water strikes the banks. The direction of the flow of water is changed and erosion is controlled. The last one is the maintaining the soil. Maintaining the soil by itself is perhaps the most effective means of the soil conservation. So these were some method to prevent the soil erosion or conserve the soil. So you have completed the chapter 9. So read the chapter, learn the question, answer and exercise, and write in your note also. Okay. Good day, students.